Maintaining optimal brain health is essential for cognitive function and overall well-being. By understanding the causes of brain damage and incorporating specific nutrient-rich foods into your diet, you can strengthen and protect your brain cells. Causes of brain damage. Brain damage can result from various factors, broadly categorized into traumatic and non-traumatic causes. Traumatic brain injury, TBI, caused by external forces such as falls, car accidents, sports injuries, or violent assaults, leading to temporary or permanent impairment of brain functions. Non-traumatic causes, stroke, occurs when blood flow to a part of the brain is interrupted or reduced, depriving brain tissue of oxygen and nutrients. Infections. Conditions like meningitis or encephalitis can cause inflammation and damage to brain cells. Hypoxia, a condition where the brain is deprived of adequate oxygen supply, potentially leading to cell death. Toxins. Exposure to harmful substances such as lead, excessive alcohol, or illicit drugs can impair brain function. Foods that strengthen brain cells. Incorporating certain foods into your diet can enhance cognitive function and protect against brain damage. Fatty fish. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fatty fish like salmon, trout, and sardines support brain cell structure and function. Omega-3s help build membranes around brain cells, improving neuron structure. Berries. Berries, particularly blueberries, are high in flavonoids that may improve memory and delay brain aging. Leafy greens. Vegetables like kale and spinach are rich in vitamins and antioxidants that support cognitive health. Nuts, especially walnuts, provide omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants that support brain health. Dark chocolate contains antioxidant flavonoids that support nerve cell function. Green tea contains antioxidants that improve concentration and memory. Eggs, rich in choline, which is essential for neurotransmitter production and cognitive function. Pumpkin seeds provide antioxidants and essential minerals like magnesium, iron, zinc, and copper that support brain health. Oranges, high in vitamin C, which helps defend the brain against damage from free radicals. Turmeric contains curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that may support brain health. Incorporating these foods into your daily diet can help keep your brain sharp and vibrant. Remember to maintain a balanced diet and consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice. Thanks for watching. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more informative content like this. Click the video on the screen to watch How to Speed Up Fat Loss by Dr. William Li.